Hi, DGS Blueprint. This is Kate Dezwinski, your editor-in-chief of the Blueprint staff. Today, we're starting off a new podcast for the Blueprint, which is Call Her Blueprint, kind of going off of Call Her Daddy, one of a really good podcast. Normally, I'm with one of my good friends and the news editor, Olivia Velasquez, but today I have got one of my best friends, Addie, to talk about the biggest red flags of literally anything. Boys, girls, our school, life, like whatever it is. So Addie, if you want to introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Addie. I'm the captain of the varsity cheer team here at Downers Grove South, and I also coach cheerleading for the Downers Grove Panthers, and I'm really happy to be here.
So, red flags, it's like, let's talk about what it is first. Like, What is a red flag?
I think a red flag is just something that, like, it's just a quality or something that someone does where it's like, why do you do that? Like, it's just unnecessary, and it just
like
weird.
Making your blood boil, especially like stuff that just annoys you.
Yeah, like stuff that can be prevented, but like you do it anyway. Like, why?
Yeah. Do you want to say your biggest red flag first? Do you want me to?
You can say yours first.
Okay, my biggest red flag in people are the people that have to ask you if it's okay for them to do something in like everything they do. Oh, like, can I wear this? Like, is this cute?
I feel called out.
Like, okay, wait, like, are these shoes go with my outfit? Like, every single day.
I agree. I think if you're asking other people's opinions, like, you're trying to, like, be them or, like...
Yeah.
Like, be yourself. Like, I get asking, like, oh, is this cute? Is this not? Like, that's fine. But,
yeah, definitely.
Just do it yourself, and you can, like, that just shows, like, you yourself. Like, you don't need other people, like, do it for you.
And I'm not saying, like, oh, like, she doesn't like asking, like, oh, like, if you're confused on if you should do something or something like that. But it's just, like, continuous, like, is this cute for me to wear? Like, I can't with it.
Be your own person.
Uh-huh.
I agree with that.
Oh, and to add on to that, the people, which I get it, we're girls, like, going to the bathroom together, but, like, can't go to a bathroom in a public place without someone, or can't go somewhere without an individual.
Okay.
And it makes me lose my mind.
I can see the other side of it, though, because I get anxious going things by myself. Like, I'd rather go with someone, but maybe, I mean, I understand if you're the person going with me, I'm sure it is annoying, so I understand that, but I see both sides. So
Yeah,
I don't know.
I get it if you're, like, in a public place, but at school, no. Sorry.
Yeah, I do it, but I understand. I see both sides of it.
Yeah.
I think one of my biggest red flags that I see in people is just, like, not knowing how to talk to people, or, like, have a conversation. Like, I get texting, but, like, if I'm trying to sit down and have a conversation with you, like, don't be dry. Don't, like, learn how to talk to me and keep the conversation going.
Mm-hmm.
Like, if I ask you a question, I genuinely want to know the answer. Keep it going. Like, don't just be like, yeah, and end the conversation. That's so boring. I think we as people need to learn how to communicate and talk to each other better, which we're very bad at right now.
Yeah, and, like, keeping eye contact, especially, like, during conversations. Like, I hate when I'm trying to talk to someone and they're looking down at their phone or texting. I'm like, why am I even talking to you?
Like, if you're uninterested, like, just leave.
Yeah,
don't talk to me.
Yeah, literally. Like, just go away. Like, make an excuse to walk away. Like, don't try and continue this conversation when you clearly don't want to.
Like, I'm genuinely trying to talk to you. Like,
Yeah.
if you don't want to pay attention to me, like, I'll go tell someone else what I was going to say.
Yeah. And then, like, also going back to, like, communicating, like, through texting.
Oh, my gosh.
Dry texters.
The worst.
Oh, my God. It makes me want to lose my mind. Like, I just can't.
I agree. Like, if I ask you a question or I'm trying to, like, start a conversation with you, like, once again, just answer the question. It takes more effort to be dry than to just answer it. Because if I'm trying to find something out, I'm just going to keep texting you until I figure it out.
Yeah.
So, like, you might as well just not be dry in the first place.
The expression chillin' makes me lose it. Like, I'm asking you, what are you doing? Chillin'? Okay.
Like, that can mean so many different things. Like, don't
It
make me
can.
guess. I'm not trying to guess with you. Be straight up.
If I'm texting you, I want to text you. Like, if you just did not want to text me, don't respond.
Yeah.
Don't respond. At all.
Like, I would rather you not respond if you're just going to be like, nothing. Like, what are you doing? Nothing. Like, no.
Like, you're doing something.
Like, you're doing something.
You're clearly doing something, because if you were doing nothing, there's nothing.
Well, and it's always...
You could never do nothing.
But it's always, this is how the conversation goes. What are you doing? Nothing. Well, do you want to hang out? Oh, no, I can't. Like, clearly you're busy.
God.
Clearly busy, so why not just say that in the first place?
Exactly.
Like, it's so annoying. Like, don't be a dry texter. If you don't want to be with me, you don't want to hang out with me, just be like, hey, I don't want to hang out. Or just don't answer. I would rather that.
Don't answer.
Dry texting is like a chore. Like, we shouldn't have to do that.
Yeah. What else is a really good red flag or bad?
Slow walkers.
Oh my God. Like, we have 5 minutes on regular days to get to class.
And I'm a person who is always first in my class. Like, I don't spend much time in the hallway. I walk very fast. But, like, if you're walking slow, just, like, move. Or walk on the right side of the hallway.
Yeah.
Like, why are you on the other side?
Why are you on the left?
Why are you on the left?
Clearly, like, in the U.S., we all drive on the right side of the road. Yeah. Like, everyone knows if you go to school here, like, you should be on the right side.
Yeah, especially if you're, like, the first person in the hallway. Like, walk fast.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not trying to go around you. Like, just walk faster.
We literally, like, because I'm in the Mustang Way Access class, we literally made a video, and one of the main points about, like, some things we have to change are the walking in the hallways. And it's that bad. We had to make a video.
If you want to talk to your friends about it, like, about something, like, talk to your friends, have a conversation, but you can walk at the same time.
Yeah, walk and talk.
You don't have to just stop. Like, the amount of times I physically ran into people because they just stopped walking, like, just walk or go somewhere else to talk to them.
Yeah.
Or wait till your class, like, genuinely.
And then also, like, not even just at school, like, slow walkers in the city or at the mall. Like, I'm walking around Oak Brook Mall, and I can't go to the store within, like, however long I want to go.
And it's always people, like, even, okay, say someone's walking slow and I walk around them, like, they'll give me a dirty look. Like, oh, you just went around me. Like, walk faster.
Yeah.
Like, what are you doing? Genuinely. Like, no, it's so annoying. Like, this should be a normal thing, people. And
just to walk at a normal pace. Like, don't take forever. I get if you're, like, older or you're injured or you have really small legs, like, okay, fine. Like, I have small legs and I try to walk as fast as I can. There's no point of you walking really slow with long legs. There is no point.
And if you're gonna walk slow, like, move to the side so that people can go around you.
Yeah.
Like, it's the worst thing trying to go up the stairs and someone slows in front of you, and I'm like, can you just walk faster, please?
It's like driving behind a really slow car, but there's nowhere, like, there's no other lane. You can't go around. And you're kind of, like, just, like, riding the back of their car.
Yeah.
And you're just waiting for the brake check, waiting for it.
Yeah.
But there's nothing you can do.
Because that forces you to, like, go even slower. Like, just drive the speed limit. Or get out of the way.
Yeah. Or on the highway, when there's a really slow person in the fast lane.
Oh my
gosh. Makes me lose my mind.
Move over. And then they, like, don't let you go around them. Like, if you are driving slow and you know you're driving slow, let people pass you.
Yeah. Like, be respectful and let people pass you.
Yeah. Acknowledge that, like, you're going slow.
But then again, just drive the speed limit, guys. Don't want to get a ticket.
Limit, don't drive under the speed limit.
If the speed limit's 40, I expect you're going 40.
Yeah.
Don't go 35. Like, no.
Yeah, because there's some people who have places to be.
Can't
deal with this.
Right. Well, it's then that time. It's been amazing to talk to you, Addie. And I would like to close this lovely podcast that we're starting. Addie, is there anything you'd like to add?
I don't think so. It's been fun, and I hope people hear these red flags and use them to make themselves better.
Yeah. If you guys have any red flags you'd like to tell us, you could always email me. Or you could contact the Blueprint through Instagram, or if you're listening to this on our website, leave a comment. I'd love to hear any of your red flags. Next week, me and Liv will be back to talk about some amazing topic. So I hope you guys join us, and I hope you guys listen to us a lot more. Thank you.